Welcome to Mount Mitchell in Wamego, Kansas, a place where the beauty of the Flint Hills meets a rich and inspiring history. This site, a beacon of natural and cultural significance, was shaped by the dreams of abolitionists and the resilience of the land itself. Today, we'll hike these trails uncovering its secrets, accompanied by my two adventurous dogs. Hi, I'm Steve, and we're starting our adventure at the trailhead of Mount Mitchell Heritage Prairie Park. This place isn't just a beautiful hiking spot, it's a place of history. In the 1850s, it was a hub for abolitionist activity of Kansas' fight to remain a free state during the turmoil of Bleeding Kansas. As we hike, it's worth reflecting on the legacy of the abolitionists who walked these paths before us. In the mid-1800s, this area became a battleground, not just of physical conflict, but of ideas. Kansas was torn between those who wanted it to become a free state and those who sought to expand slavery. Here is part of the Flint Hills, the last remaining tallgrass prairie in North America. It is a living reminder of what much of the Midwest once looked like before settlers transformed the land for agricultural. These resilient plants have deep roots, sometimes extending 15 feet into the ground, symbolizing endurance and survival. Here's one of the markers commemorating the abolitionist efforts. The Connecticut-Kansas colony. So here's my question to you. What's your favorite natural landscape to hike in? Prairies, forests, mountains, or something else? Please drop a comment down below. Reaching the summit of Mount Mitchell, you're rewarded with stunning views of the Flint Hills. It's no wonder the abolitionists chose this spot. It feels like standing at the edge of the world, with endless possibilities ahead. The Connecticut-Kansas colony wasn't just about fighting slavery, it was about building a community. These settlers planned schools, built churches, and created a society where everyone could thrive. They believed deeply in equality, and their efforts helped pave the way for Kansas to join the Union as a free state in 1861. The Flint Hills stretch on and on, reminding us of both the vastness of this land and the impact of those who have lived here before us. Every blade of grass, every ripple of wind carries echoes of their stories. This is the perfect spot to reflect on everything we've seen today. Hiking with these two always makes the journey more fun, but it's the history that makes it truly meaningful. As the sun sets over Mount Mitchell, it feels like the end of one story and the beginning of another. The history we've explored today is a reminder of the power of resilience, the beauty of nature, and the enduring legacy of those who fought for freedom. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's hike and the history we uncovered. Drop your comments below. Until next time, happy hiking.